Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to just do a quick review of my Harbor Freight US General Series 3 in slate gray. A friend of mine had purchased one as well, and so I looked at it, and for kind of the money, I was like, man, this is a no-brainer. It's definitely better than anything you can find in Home Depot or Lowe's, right? So the Craftsman's and all of that. I feel like the build quality is much better on the US General Series 3. But one thing I did struggle with is, okay, this drawer is not too big of a challenge, right? But what do you do with these smaller drawers? And how do you find dividers that actually work? Things that Harbor Freight sells, they don't even fit these smaller drawers. And they don't even fit right here. I'll give you an example. If you look, I believe it's this drawer. Nope. Which drawer is it? I think it's this drawer. No. Okay, it's one of these doggone drawers. It's this drawer. So these are the Harbor Freight size, and they don't quite take up the space, and you can't really arrange them. So I kept these because I threw away the box. I don't want to try to return them without the box. But what I ended up doing is I bought on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description, this kit. I think it was like 40 bucks, and it came with like 80 pieces or something. So this one drawer pulled out, you get a better idea. And these guys are fine. I mean, they work perfect. And look, this is like entirely only these, right? So there's nothing else in here. You can use almost the entire drawer from edge to edge, just darn near, and put a finger in there, right? And maybe 2 fingers here. I mean, I couldn't find anything from Harbor Freight or anywhere else, and I probably spent, I don't know how many hours, but a couple of days looking. Hope this helps a little bit. I have another video where I take those wheels off and add those stands, so take a look at that. And then I'm actually going to try to add some lighting to this guy, so hopefully I'll be able to get that done here soon and wrap this few videos up for you. And then as I find more stuff, I'll do little quick shorts or something. Hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.